everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are a returning investie bestie, thank you so much for coming back. I do appreciate all of you guys being here. So we're going to continue on with our Vlogmas or our Vlog Weekmas Finance Edition. I can't believe that we're almost at the end of this period, that Christmas is just a couple days away, but we're going to continue on. And today on our final Thankful Thursdays, I'm going to be talking about being so thankful and grateful and blessed to have this finance community. That includes budgeting, debt payoff, investing, building assets, net worth, all of the bits. I am so grateful to have a group of people that I really can connect with, that I can talk money with, and just really enjoy being a part of. Now, yes, there are bad seeds like there are with everything, but 99% of the people that I have met in this community have been such a blessing to my life. Not just finances, I mean people who I have talked to one-on-one, seen face-to-face, people who I have been able to connect with through their channels in my comments section. I mean, just really supportive, loyal, down to earth, really open and giving. I mean, these people will really run to your aid if you are not active on the YouTube or Instagram community for a couple days. You have people in your inbox emailing you like, what's going on? Is everything okay? I'm really am concerned. I haven't heard from you. And I'm telling you, there are people online in this community that I have a closer relationship with than some of the people in my family. I lie to you not. Do you guys feel that way? It's just some of these people in this community I consider my friends and borderline family, because I feel like these people are some of the ones you can go to and you can talk to about anything, especially when it comes to money. And if you grew up like I did and money was this very taboo topic, it was something you do not talk about, whether you were a child or an adult. Still to this day, you do not talk about money. But the fact is, money impacts us a lot. And if we don't have conversations about money and how to break generational curses and how to get out of debt and just make our money do the things that we want to do, we're never going to be able to break these cycles. And to be able to come to this community and really just lay it all out there, the good, the bad, and the ugly, things that we've done right, things that we've done wrong. And you'll find people that will help you be accountable, and also that will give you support, that will lift you up. I've seen people who have lost their jobs, and the community will come together and donate to help that person get back on their feet. You do not see this in any other community. And I am so fortunate to have so many of my friends here that I can connect with, introducing my daughter to. I mean, just, and this is men and women, people who I really have a special connection with. And all of you guys who have been commenting on my videos, I've been going to your channels and commenting with you, really staying connected, really staying present with you guys. I try to follow up, see how you're doing, because this community is so supportive to me. It's a way for me to give back. It really does take a village to achieve financial freedom, whatever that is to you. It could be to buy your first home. It could be to save up $1,000 in your emergency fund. It could be to get out of debt. It could be to get your first car, maybe get your first place. And in this community, you will find people that can help you in all areas. If there is something you think that, oh my goodness, only I am going through this, there are several of us who are sitting there with our hands up saying, we've been there, we've done that, we got out, and we can help you get out too. All of you, okay? All of you have made a huge impact on my life. I can't really say it any other way, because I really want you guys to know I really do appreciate all of you, whether you like the videos, whether you comment, all of it. I do appreciate this community that we have here, and I am so grateful and blessed to be a part of it. And I just love you guys so much. Seriously, guys, this community has changed my life. It's like having thousands of, what Tasha says over at Mind Your Money, internet cousins. Literally people, if I was in someone's state and I called them up and said, look, Shalisa's in town, something happened, I do believe they would take me in and be like, girl, come on over here with your family. We're going to cook. We're going to sit down and talk. I got some questions to ask you. I want to know how I can be an investie bestie too. I mean, that's how I feel like it would be. Like if I was in somebody's neighborhood, and the same with you guys. If you were in my neighborhood and you were like, girl, something happened, I need some help, I'd be like, come on over, because that's how strong the connection is in our community. So on this final Thankful Thursday, I just wanted to say thank you to all of you for being with me on this journey, not just Vlogmas, but being with me on this journey, supporting me and lifting me up. And I hope that you guys can feel the same vibe, the same energy from me. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for our second to last video in this Vlogmas special, okay? You guys have a good one, and I'll see you next time. Bye.